Like promised in the previous video, we're gonna show you guys how we managed to install these louvers. It's gonna be a short video. I don't think it's gonna be that long. Comes with an install kit to get it onto your car. I think this brand or this company does a lot of louvers for a lot of different cars, so we'll leave the link to their website down in the description. I'm gonna let my brother talk to you guys and explain a little bit about the louvers and how he came to find them and purchase.
If you go to their website, you're not gonna find them because you can only get them in a group buy, which is on Facebook. I found the group buy from a guy that I follow on Instagram. He's the one that had the prototype. He's doing a second group buy right now, but there's only like 30 for this batch because they're still waiting for the first batch for everyone else to get theirs. But if you're lucky, you can probably get your hands on some of them.
So these louvers are from Icon Motorsports. They only do, I think, Camaro louvers, and that's about it. So these are pretty much a custom built louver set for the FRS, and a lot of people liked it, so they pretty much ended up having to drop a deposit, waiting a couple months. Process took about 5 months for my brother to get his louvers.
They still haven't finished on the people from the first batch. There's people from the first group buy, they're still waiting to get their louvers, so you probably have to get lucky. I don't even know it's going to be a third group buy, and I'm pretty sure the second group buy is already full.
So my brother was one of the lucky few that was able to get his louvers in the first batch that was shipped. Like I said, we'll be leaving a link to the website of the company that made these. Don't expect to find the FRS or BRZ louvers on there because these were custom built and custom made. The wrap is holding up quite nice. It's looking pretty clean. We're just pretty much adding the final pieces to the puzzle, and it's looking quite beautiful. Comment down below what you guys think about the wrap. Let's just go ahead and get on with the install of the louvers. Here they go right here. My brother's just removing the parts where he had to repair where the louvers did come cracked. The louvers are pretty aggressive looking. They look pretty mean. They look hella nice on the car. Look at that crap color, man. That purple or orange. It's some type of gold. That's just a beautiful. If you guys are wondering what the color is, it's Albergine Bronze by Oracle. It's looking pretty beast and dope. I love it. The louvers are looking aggressive too, man. That's a perfect fit. There are some other ones that they can pick up. How much are those going for?
The 6-speed. Those are ugly. In my opinion, those are ugly. I think they're like 400.
They're $400.
Or you can go for the TRD ones, which are $800.
Are those ugly? Yeah, this one has a lot of curves, man. This one has a lot of sharp curves that just makes it look a lot more aggressive. Leave it in the comment section, which one would you actually prefer? It's kind of a shame that these aren't mass produced.
So my brother's gonna be on that side. I'm gonna take the tape from these two brackets. You're gonna lay it down, then we're gonna unscrew it, and then move on to that side, or to the top, and then do the same thing for other sides, pretty much.
So we figured out we're gonna set down this side, this top one as well. So we're gonna set this one down like we set it down on the other side, so that way it'll give us a guideline every single time we put it back down with the new bracket under it. It'll just sit at a perfect spot where we want it. So these bolts will match up when we set it down. So once we set it down, we can match up this one, we can match up this one, and we can match the last three from up there. So if we do those two top ones every single time we put it back down, we would pretty much get a perfect match of where we want the other brackets to sit. So that's the way we're gonna do it. That's the way we figured out would be the easiest way to do it.
Alright, so we got all of them mounted down. Now we're just gonna lift it up and make sure they're all placed down and show you how it looks under.
Alright, so this is how it looks under the louvers. We got every single bracket in place to keep the louvers in place without someone being able to steal them, because you know this 3M double-sided tape is graded for 100 pounds, so unless you have the strength of Hercules, you won't be able to lift these louvers off the rear window. One thing we did was we cleaned the rear window with rubbing alcohol. Like I said, every time you want to stick something onto something and you want it to stick cleanly, just rub the surface with rubbing alcohol just to get a little more action when sticking something. Now he's going to clean it for one last time before he puts the louvers on to never see the rear window ever again.
I mean, you can take them off, clean it.
Unless someone steals these. Don't steal these, guys. They cost $1,500. So you guys said you guys wanted a tour of the house. So let me show you guys the tour of the house. There it goes.
I knew he was gonna do that irrigation.
Y'all wanna see my front tree? So the kit comes with this. It's like a little foam roll that you wanna put in between every layer of the visor. Just so when the wind is hitting it, you don't get that much vibration. And it won't get annoying when you're inside the cabin of the car. So that's what my brother's doing right here just to wrap this project up. Bam! And there you have it, guys. The louvers on the FRS are installed. How much downforce do you get with these?
25. Yeah, and this thing does 30, 35.
So there you have it, guys. The louvers on the FRS are on. Tell me how they look. They're gonna give you a nice little walk around. Man, them bitches are aggressive. But that's gonna be it. You guys saw the walk around of how the louvers look on the car. That's gonna be the end of this video, guys. Hopefully you guys did enjoy it. Please smash that like button, subscribe, help us reach 25,000 subscribers. Comment down below your thoughts on what you guys think of the louvers.
And what next thing we should do.
Do you guys like them for the FRS? Does the FRS look ugly on them? Louvers should only go on muscle cars? I don't know, guys. Leave it in the comment section below. But that's gonna be it, guys. We'll catch y'all in the next video, which we're actually gonna film right now. So don't mention my clothes not being changed in the next video.
It's because we don't have clothes. We're saying everything the same weekend.
Deuces.
Yeah, man, the world needs better laws. Maybe then we'll be better off. I'm hoping that it comes, but it never